Hello, trading is closed on September 11th, 2018. Yesterday I said if we gapped up and took this high out promptly, rally could continue. I said if we didn't, I really had no call. So no call. During the day, MEJT gave some sell signals. They've already been satisfied. We usually get more than this. Gives us a possible target to undercut this low, but we don't have to get more than this, and we certainly don't have to get it tomorrow. This is a pattern that usually finishes at the day's high. When it does not finish at the day's high, leads to lower prices, not necessarily a lower close. The one exception is if we gap and take this high out promptly. So the odds favor gapping up and taking this high out promptly, but it's not required. And if we don't, lower prices should print whether or not we end lower. I really don't have any call for tomorrow on which I'm willing to bet money. Would make a nice picture if we did gap up, take out this high, satisfy the pattern, perhaps make 5 waves up and then retrace and undercut this low. But just because it's nice, I can't say it has to happen. And as I said, there isn't any call based on today's close where I personally would be willing to risk money at this point. We'll look for the open to see if we get this high overtaken, as it almost always is. If not, we trade lower. It's the only call I'm going to make, and that's today's call.